We're going to do a quick video on stock market for today. These prices are going to be good for Tuesday, May 31st, and they expire on Tuesday, May 31st. They're good for just that day only, as you can see right here. We're logged into RBAMresearch.com, and this screen you're looking at is entry points for stocks. You'll see up here at the top, we have holding periods of 1, 5, and 20 days. That basically means you would buy the stock at a price and either take a profit or close it out at the end of one trading day. If you bought the 5-day holding period, you take a profit or close it out at the end of 5, and the same thing for 20. These are trading days. Again, buy it today, buy it on the 31st and take a profit as soon as you can, or worst case, close it out at the end of 1, 5, or 20-day holding periods, depending on which entry price you chose. As you can see, most of these are zeros today. We're coming off the Memorial Day weekend, and most of these prices are indicating no buys. I'm going to show you some buys here in a minute, but I'm just going over the basics of how this works. This is all quant trading. These prices are generated, even a zero is generated by the algorithms, and I'll show you some actual pricing when we scroll down. We've got about 190 plus stocks here covered every day before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, and stick with me to the very end and I'll show you how you can get those for free. Let's take a look down here and see some actual prices. In the beginning here we have mainly the most actives, and they get less active as we go down, but they're still very active stocks. And we get down here to Pfizer. We can see on 1, 5, and 20-day holds, you can see the recommended entry price. These prices are all reference points. You obviously have to use your own judgment. You never rely on these for anything. They're just a backup or to confirm or to take a look at your own judgment, to augment your own judgment, and you should never rely on them for anything other than entertainment purposes only. But let's take a look a little bit further. We see this particular stock, which I can't pronounce. Another looks like a Brazilian stock. Ambev, which I think is the maker of Budweiser. Uber here, 23.17 on a one-day hold. You can swing trade these. A lot of people would use these to swing trade these stocks. You can also use them to trade options. If you wanted to trade some short-term options, these might be a good buy price to look at for the stock and give you a good probability perhaps of making a profit on some options. You'll notice there are no shorts. These are all long only entry prices. If we go a little bit further, we have Barrick down here, the gold company, and Comcast, Bristol Myers, Boston Scientific, Lyft, and let's see, Kohl's is down here, Morgan Stanley, and again, these are all recommended prices that you would look at, references to compare to your own judgment. I would mainly use these for swing trading, and or you could even somewhat day trade these one-day holds. That wouldn't be exactly a day trade, but sometimes they do rally and you can get out of them on the same day. But you should always plan on holding them the full period if you want to get the actual win rates on them. And let's scroll down here to the bottom. Again, there's about 190 of these covered every day. On an average day, these will be populated, probably 75% of these will be populated with a buy price. And today's an exception. We just don't have that many buy prices coming off the Memorial Day weekend. You want to keep in mind that everything presented on this entire website is for entertainment purposes only, including the entry prices. Everything you do is trade at your own risk. You can get all of these prices plus futures, Bitcoin, and the major forex pairs at rbamresearch.com. That's rbamresearch.com. You can get them. They're all published before 7 a.m. every morning, Monday through Friday. Just sign up, no credit card required, and they are absolutely free. Again, rbamresearch.com. Keep in mind, entertainment only, and you definitely trade at your own risk.